Laszlo Gal, founder and managing director of Residency Citizenship Program, shortly RCP. We are a European family firm offering a selection of the best residency and citizenship programs. Today, I will tell you how to get a Vanuatu citizenship and passport in 4 simple steps within 2 months and 0 visits. I will also speak about the benefits of Vanuatu citizenship and the details of the application process. Alright, you may ask now, why should I get an unknown passport from a strange country? And why should I spend my precious time listening to you? Excellent questions. You may have several reasons to be a citizen of Vanuatu and use the passport of Vanuatu. We have many clients. The majority of our clients are fed up with travel restrictions and lengthy and sometimes hopeless visa applications. People really need freedom. They want to travel when they want. They do not want to spend their valuable time filling in forms and visiting embassies that might be closed now. They want a secure and valuable travel document like a Vanuatu passport. Indeed, you can freely travel without any visa to 130 countries. The green countries on this map are visa-free. The yellow countries offer e-visa or an easy visa for Vanuatu citizens. You can freely enter and spend 90 days in Europe, for example in Paris. And attention, you may stay for 6 months in the UK. You can decide to visit Russia or Hong Kong and many other countries even tomorrow if you have a Vanuatu passport. And you can quickly get visit visa to Australia or tourist visa to the USA. Sounds good, doesn't it? If you start the process today, you will have the passport within 2 months in your pocket, and nothing will hold you back. Of course, there are other clients with other preferences. For example, tax optimization. Did you know that Vanuatu is a tax haven? Would you mind not paying income, wealth, and inheritance tax? Would you prefer to include the whole family in your application and secure the future of your kids? Would you prefer to get citizenship without the need to visit the country or any residency requirement? Would you prefer a country where both English and French are official languages? Everything is possible in Vanuatu. But why Vanuatu? You may say other countries offer nearly the same. I have 2 telling arguments: time and effort. The fastest passport processing time is offered by Vanuatu. It takes only 6 to 8 weeks to get your passport. Would you mind getting your second passport with minimal efforts? You should collect and manage a lot of documents for all citizenship applications. But how many papers and what types of documents and how to legalize the documents, how to prove the source of your funds, crucial factors. I know nearly all citizenship options in the world and also see the document requirements. Vanuatu requirements are the easiest. I hope that you are at least a bit convinced that Vanuatu is a precious option. However, this is one side of the story only. Let's see the other side, the Vanuatu side. Who is eligible? What are the requirements? You can apply if you are over 18. You have a no criminal record and you have an asset of at least $250,000 US. It's easy. You can include your children below 25 years and your parents above 50. Of course, your married spouse can also join. Are all nations accepted? The Vanuatu program is not open for applicants from Iran, Syria, Iraq, North Korea, or Yemen. Let's talk now about the application process. The process is straightforward and you can do it from home. Once you have decided to apply, the first step is to engage us and make the initial payment of $5,500. This payment covers the initial check and the administration fee. The second step is the Vanuatu Financial Intelligence Unit Clearance Certificate. This certificate is an approval of your application in principle. In practice, it means that you are eligible and you will get the citizenship. One of the vital advantages of the Vanuatu program is low risk. You risk only $5,500 in case of rejection, as the essential payment is due after the approval only, after the financial unit approval only. But the risk is even lower, as we make a free of charge preliminary background check before you pay anything. The Financial Intelligence Unit requires some documents, namely notarized passport copy for all applicants. Notarized means that you go to a notary in your country with your documents. The notary certifies the copy of your paper as a genuine copy of the original document. You also need police clearance from the country of origin and the country of residence if they are different. All family members, I mean all applicants above 18, must provide a notarized police clearance. Finally, all adult applicants over 18 should send a curriculum vitae, a biography, including education and academic certifications. Financial unit check takes a couple of days upon receipt of the mentioned documents. If you get the green light, and we are proud to say that all of our clients have got the green light till now, you can proceed with step 3. Step 3 is the actual citizenship application. Here you have to pay 25% of the total contribution. At this stage, you need to collect more documents. Here is a list of documents you should provide. Nomination forms, notarized birth certificates, ID cards, medical certificates, and of course passport photos for all applicants. There are some other documents required from the main applicant only. Marriage certificate, asset report of $250,000, bank reference letter stating that you are a good standing customer of the bank, 2 professional referees, for example your lawyer or accountant, confirming of your good character, and proof of your residential address. You may think that this list is pretty long. Yes, it is long, but not as long as the same list of other citizenship programs. The processing time is 2 to 4 weeks upon receipt of all documents. The Citizenship Committee issues an approval letter. Now your application is successfully approved. You can proceed to step 4. You pay now the balance, the 75% of the government contribution. You have to take your oath to get Vanuatu citizenship. We will arrange a video call with the Commissioner of Oaths to complete the Oath of Allegiance. Once the Oath of Allegiance is completed, all passports will be printed and issued. Congratulations! You and your family are now Vanuatu citizens. You have the Vanuatu passport in your pocket. It's high time to enjoy the benefits. Let me summarize the main points again. 4 simple steps, 2 months of processing time and 0 visits, and 130 visa-free countries. Plus, we offer the best prices in the market. What should you do now? Please contact us and we will guide you through the whole process. Thank you for your attention.